Hey friends, this is your girl, Terry Hester Walters, also known as Redeemed+LuvsStyle, coming back to today with another video. In today's video, I will be doing a DIY Pottery barn restoration hardware textured aged stone vessel and vase flip. Stay tuned. Today I'll be using this jar and these two vases. So what you would need is paint, any paint that you have in the house already, baking soda, and either a paper plate, in this case I'm using a bowl, and of course the brush. So I'm really not even sure how much baking soda to put in, but I'm trying to put in enough, I guess, to make it really pasty, so it won't be so watery. The consistency will be really pasty and thick.
Yeah.
So, I'm getting paint everywhere. Look at this.
Yeah.
I think that might be pretty thick there.
Yeah, that's a lot of thick, Mama. Mixing it up. Now, it's so satisfying.
I might add just a tiny bit more, just to get it just a tiny bit thicker, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply.
Something this one? Mommy?
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, it's kind of so weird.
Okay, that's enough, Thank you. I have my little helper here. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with this vase here, this round one. I already spray painted it a while ago just to see how it look with the spray paint. So now I'm gonna apply this thick paint here and see if it'll give it that textured look. So here we go. So far, since I've been painting, I'm not done of course, but this is how it's starting to look. So let me just continue, see what happens here. Also too, when you are painting it, I guess it's best to kind of go in the same direction. So like, don't just go across and then go up and down. I guess, I don't know, maybe I should try one that way too, but so far, it is seem like it's pretty much gonna give it that look that I'm looking for, with just going across with the paint and the baking soda mixed together. We'll see what happens. All right, so now I'm doing this little jar here. This is how it looks. And like I said, I just had spray painted. This was a clear jar. And now I'm trying to apply, I don't know how this is gonna look, but we shall see. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on this vase gloss, whatever you wanna call it here. Already spray painted. Never mind the paint on my fingers. All right, I should have had on some gloves. And then with this one, I think I might just kind of have it going this direction instead of across. So let's see. Okay, so then my husband had some of this. So I know I'm crazy, I don't know what I'm doing. This was just something we already had. I just was like, I'm gonna spray some on here and see how it come out. So let me show y'all how they end up coming out. Now they're still drying, but I just wanna, I think it really gives it more of a, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'll show you just one second. Okay. I hope I didn't mess this up. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. This was fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless.